Hey guys, welcome back to Harmony Hill Farm. I am out here in my little gardening area and I have something, the wind's blowing, that I really want to share with you today. So let's get out there and get going. I know right now it's a wreck. It's absolutely a wreck. But look what my husband did. I am absolutely extremely happy because that means that I will be planting hopefully this weekend, Lord willing. Still got a lot of cleanup to do around here. Storms come through, blew things all over. We are actually fixing to get a storm here tonight. Look at the sky. Let me see if I can show you over here. Look back towards there. I mean, it is crazy. The wind is blowing like I don't know what, and it just really is going to storm tonight. So he left my little garlic patch there, which was really cool. I asked him to. I'll have to get in here. That's where I plant stuff that vines up. I put tomatoes there. Tomatoes won't go there this year. I'll put something else there. And then there's another trellis little thing over there. Asparagus is, of course, at the end. But I am happy today. There's a little bit of progress that we're seeing. And hopefully we'll get to do a lot more. Just wanted to share that with you today. And you guys be happy, be healthy, be blessed. I'm looking so forward to this gardening season.